Welcome to the problem solving session of projection of line. In this session we are going to solve this problem number 9. The data that has been given, a line 80 mm long, that means true length equal to 80 mm given, inclined at an angle of 45 degree to the horizontal plane, that's why theta equal to 45 degree, angle of TL with HP, phi 30 degrees given, angle with vertical plane, that is phi equal to 30 degree. The position of end point A is given, A 20 mm above HP and 10 mm in front of VP. So you have to draw the projection of the line and also write the elevation length and plan length. So whatever has been asked, or it can be asked in this way also, draw the projection of the line. In any case, you have to find each and everything for all the problems, right? So you have to find TL, theta, phi, EL, PL, alpha and beta for all the problems, whatever the question may be, right? So for solving this particular problem, we have to find we have to draw first the XY line, right? So this will be the XY line. The position of A is given as A is 20 mm above HP and 10 mm in front of VP. So we have to locate this A point, 20 mm in front and 10 mm, so 10 mm below. So you can draw this line. You have to draw with your roller scale. We are writing first, this is your XY line. Okay, this will be your XY line. From this point we are going to draw a horizontal line parallel to this XY line. So this will be first line and this will be my second line at 10 mm below the XY line, that is in front distance. So I can write this as locus of A dash and this will be locus of A. Why? Because it is 20 mm above. With above we are going to write the front view, and locus of A 10 mm in front. So with in front we are going to write the top view, right? So on this particular line I can take any point as my A dash point, right? So from that a vertical line can be drawn. So this will be my A point, right? After that, here the theta equal to given 45 degree and true length equal to 80 mm. So from this point I have to draw an angle of 45 degree and the distance will be 80 mm. So I have to draw an 80 mm line. So this line will be like this. So this is the end point. So TL equal to 80 mm. So I have to draw one horizontal line from this point, so that represents the locus of B dash. So this will be locus of B dash, right? The name of this particular point will be B1 dash. So on this point my locus of B dash will be there. The next thing that is given is phi equal to 30 degree. So I have to write that phi, or I have to draw that phi from A point 30 degree, and the true length is given. So true length will be 80 mm. So this 80 mm can be represented as like this, true length equal to 80 mm. So this is my theta and this will be my phi. So 80 mm I have to draw the point. So from that point I have to locate one another line. So that will be my locus of B. So, right, so for solving any of the line problem you need this 4 locus. You need this locus of A dash, B dash, A and B, right? So these things are given. Now you have to find the answer. You have to find EL, PL, alpha and beta. Now we have the true length. So we have seen in the previous lectures. So if you have the true length, so you can find the elevation length and plan length by first extending it and then rotating it, right? So we are going to first extend this true length. So what is the formula for that? You are at B dash point. For true length, extension of B dash up to A point, right? You are at B dash, opposite of B dash is A dash, and other view of A dash is A. So you have to extend this true length up to A point like this. You have to draw vertical line from your roller scale from B dash to A point, right? So you can write this point as your A1 point, and from that A1 point you have to rotate, and you can rotate it from A to B. If you are at locus at A, you have to rotate till locus of B, right? So this will be the point, and this point can be written as B. This can be written as B. So now you have to join this A point with B. So A to B, right? So this will be my plan length. Similarly, you can find the elevation length in the above section. If you have a true length and if you are at B, So you have to extend that line from B to A dash. B, opposite of B is A, other view of A is A dash, so you have to extend till A dash. So I am extending this true length up to from B to A dash point. So I got a point, say I name it as B2, so I have point A2 dash. So take A dash as a center, take A dash as a center and take A dash, A2 dash as your radius and rotate it up to locus of B dash, this horizontal line. So we'll get another point. So you can name this point as your B dash point because we are on locus of B. So locus of B dash, So you can join this locus of A dash with B dash like this. So this will be my elevation length. Okay. So the angle with elevation length of HP, that is equal to alpha, and this angle will be beta angle, right? So you have to measure all of this and write the answers. So I can measure the first angle alpha. So this angle with this EL is approximately 55 degree. So I have to write my alpha equal to 55 degree. So I have written alpha equal to 55 degree. Similarly, I can measure the angle of beta with this line with PL, horizontal to PL, approximately it is 40 degree. So I have to write beta equal to 40 degree, right? Similarly, you have to find EL and PL. So I can measure the EL like this. So from here I can measure it. It is approximately 59 mm, right? It is approximately approximately 69 mm. So my EL will be 69 mm. Okay, and my plan length will be approximately, it is 59 mm, right? So my plan length will be 59 mm. So this answer can be vary. It is okay. It can be vary for plus or minus 5 mm, and this angle can also be vary from plus or minus 2, 3, 4, 5 degrees. It can be allowable, right? You have to make sure that this B dash and B are in same straight line, right? If this B dash and B are in same straight line, then your answer will be true, right? Now it is not necessary that this is the only way that you can solve the problem. You can solve it in any way. As in case we have first extended this line and then we have rotated. Okay, so we got the plan length. So from this plan length you can draw the straight line up to this locus of B. That way you can also find elevation length. You don't need to rotate it and show it. Okay. And find it, right? But you have to show all of these lines: EL, PL, TL, theta, phi, alpha and beta, right? So this is the way you can solve the problems of projection of line. In next session we are going to solve some other problems.